Hello everyone, I'm here to make a blessing to you all for the Easter holiday. This is a great holiday for us to ease our stress, to relax, to recuperate our life, and to calm down our emotion. So the following transmission is to keep our heart being peace and calm, so that we'll listen to this energy track will be a great chance for us to bring the joy and the happiness back into our heart. Listen to these peaceful waves with the ocean and try to close your eyes and think of this water and the wave is in sync with our bloodstream, our cells, to smooth all the blockages from our daily life. And take a deep breath in. Assumini fana fux bromis if could feast make fuxanan and zoned as because fuxanium with all the angels being with us. If I can get flamis, if you friend and Zipcomoris, these men are circulating numerins and Zanuzum resists clean and undum. Some in a through down a sea. Nasikukan is a colose clean in lonely Kizuri. It's a good time to recharge ourselves. Because for me, the sunny is nuns in the sun is we ground the energy back onto the Mother Earth with the water, the ocean, the wave, the birds singing, and the peacefulness. Mala flins flins sama sumin chirikin zanesis. And I wish everyone with a happy holiday and happy Easter. Many blessings to you all.